Today's customers are highly connected and they expect their questions to be answered effortlessly. For example, Jane recently placed an order for a Fitbit with Acme, but she ordered it to her old address. With Freshdesk, Jane can access help 24/7 and self-serve through online intelligence support. Jane checks the Acme website and finds an option to chat through iMessage, so she drops a text. The Freshdesk messaging chatbot responds, detects her intent, and displays all of her orders. Within a few clicks, she is done. If customers require additional support, they are seamlessly transferred to a live agent. So when Jane requests for a refund for one of her other orders, the chatbot intelligently identifies that her inquiry needs to be escalated to a live agent. So a chatbot guides Jane to raise a ticket, which is then automatically routed to the billing team. Alex, who works in the billing team, uses the Freshdesk customer timeline to view Jane's previous interactions through phone, chat, iMessage, and email. With the Shopify integration, he is also able to view the previous orders. Since Alex is new to the Acme team, the Agent Assist bot guides him through a set of yes or no questions and suggests the next best action to follow at each step. The Assist bot walks him through a guided process to handle the return. With inbuilt collaboration capabilities, Alex gets in touch with Dave from the warehouse team and schedules a pickup for Jane on priority. Rachel is Alex's manager at Acme. She leads a team of 800 support agents working from home, handling customer issues across email, phone, and chat. Since her teams are working remotely, the Freshdesk Omnichannel dashboard provides her with a comprehensive view on what her agents are working on in real time. She balances incoming tickets with Freshdesk OmniRoute to reduce customer wait time and also ensure that none of her agents are overloaded. With Freshdesk Analytics, she can create custom reports based on her business requirements. She can also leverage predefined reports to optimize her team's performance and drive business growth. Freshdesk Omnichannel offers a unified experience for agents to delight customers effortlessly.